Today I have some carrots, fresh carrots, onion. I'm using two kinds of onion because I had 2 halves of onion in the refrigerator. 3 stalks of celery chopped. I had a half a jalapeno. I chopped that up finely. And I have 4 large cloves of garlic that I smashed. The other ingredients we're going to be using are chicken stock. I have 2 kinds of chicken stock. You really want to find a chicken stock that you love. So today we're going to really focus on how we can get a good soup using a store chicken stock. I also have a teaspoon of kosher salt and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And I have some Italian seasoning. We're going to start with these things. So the first thing is I'm using my Ninja cooking system so that I can cook everything right in here. You can also do this exact same thing with a pot on your stove. It does not have to be a fancy pot. Any pot will do, but it should be large. In the Ninja, I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's been heating up. I'm going to add all of these, what I call the aromatic ingredients, into the pot. These are going to start to smell so yummy. The aroma, you're thinking about how delicious your soup is going to be. And I think you can hear how it's sizzling, and you want that to happen. Toss it around so the oil is distributed in among your vegetables, and then sprinkle on your teaspoon of salt and your ½ teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until these vegetables are soft, and then we'll come on to the next step. The aromatic vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes and they're nice and soft. Color's changed a little bit. The onions have become translucent. So we're ready to move on to the next step. The next thing I'm going to do is put a generous handful of dried Italian seasoning in. Rub it between my hands to release whatever oils are in the herbs. Stir that in. Next comes the stock. Just pour the stock in. We're going to bring the stock to a boil. Let this cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. You want it to be come to a gentle boil. So if it gets really going, you're going to want to turn it down. Right now I have it on high. When you taste your broth, you want to think about it in terms of, would I just want to eat this broth all by itself? And if that broth tastes really good, then it is good to go. If not, you can add salt and pepper if you think that's what it needs. Or you might try this Better Than Bouillon, which is a stock base, and it adds some really good chicken flavoring to the soup. Well, this was perfect, so I was ready to move on to adding all the vegetables that I wanted to add. So I added 4 cups of mixed frozen vegetables, and then I also added some broccoli, so you can see there's broccoli in here. So that is now coming to a boil. And I'm going to let that cook for another 5 minutes covered. And then we're going to give it another taste. Like I said, we want to taste all along. So this is good right now. And it would be ready to eat right now. With a sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese on it, nice crusty bread, you're good to go. I'm going to add some elbow macaroni now that it's at boiling. Stir that in. cover and let it continue to cook until the macaroni is done. So you can make soup. It's very easy, as you see. It doesn't take a lot, but it does take tasting and adjusting. No one recipe is going to give you perfect soup every single time. Your ingredients make all the difference in the world. So you do have to test and you have to adjust along the way to make this soup and every soup your own. The elbow macaroni is ready to eat. Soup has thickened up because of the addition of the elbow macaroni. Doesn't it look delicious? Sprinkle of Parmesan on it. Delicious vegetable soup, with or without the pasta. You can make it and it'll be terrific. Enjoy!